Embark on an exhilarating adventure with mighty bulldozers and towering wind turbines. We'll dive into the world of extreme transportation, overcoming tough challenges while celebrating the marvels of technology in this one-of-a-kind experience. Today I had the incredible opportunity to witness the performance of the massive Hitachi ZX excavator, weighing an astounding 67.5 tons and measuring 13.2 meters in length. This machine is more than just a construction tool. It's a true symbol of modern engineering power. From a distance, the Hitachi ZX stands out like a giant TGX XXL, impressive with its immense size and extraordinary strength. It's a powerful reminder of the remarkable progress in the construction industry. This transport became an inspiring journey, where human strength and advanced technology work together to conquer nature. The 58-meter-long wind turbine blades, freshly made in the factory, started their challenging journey through the city, heading toward the installation site many kilometers away. Every detail had to be planned carefully because transporting such huge and long cargo required expert management. As night fell, the convoy moved slowly, with each breath of the driver and support team in sync with the tension of the task. Regular updates were sent, tracking each tricky part of the road they had to navigate. It was a dramatic scene, with everyone focused not just on staying on schedule but on making sure this important mission was completed safely. Transporting heavy equipment along the highway is always a tense challenge, carefully watched over by a skilled convoy team. The massive convoy carrying huge machinery moves slowly but steadily through dangerous and winding mountain roads. The sight is truly impressive, like a powerful army making its way from the assembly site to the mining area. Every sharp turn keeps onlookers in suspense, holding their breath. The crew's expertise and experience make this difficult journey look effortless, turning a risky task into an incredible display of skill and strength. The transportation of the colossal Caterpillar 793F mining dump truck to Sappovara was nothing short of an extraordinary spectacle. A massive convoy trundled through, creating a breathtaking sight, like a giant expertly carrying two monumental loads on either side. The truck, with its massive frame, seemed to be hauling the ear of an elephant, leaving me in utter amazement. How was it possible to load such gigantic components onto the vehicle with such precision? It was a true marvel of engineering, a seamless blend of advanced technology and transportation expertise that took my breath away. Today, managing the Union Pacific train with 9 locomotives and 164 cars is truly a remarkable feat. This train undoubtedly ranks among the longest and largest ever assembled. The sight of this colossal machine moving through the rugged terrain of the canyon in the Colorado Connection area must have left the audience in awe. The power of the train is not only showcased by its impressive size, but also by its ability to overcome the harsh challenges of the path ahead. The transport of the German submarine U-7 to the Spire Technology Museum was truly an unforgettable moment. The colossal submarine was carefully placed onto a 38-axle transport vehicle, creating a breathtaking sight that you simply couldn't take your eyes off. Have you ever wondered how such a massive machine could be lifted onto a transport so precisely? It's not just about sheer power, it's about the incredible engineering precision, with meticulous calculations down to the smallest detail. With every dramatic step of the process, you witness the marvel of this extraordinary feat unfold. The oversized heavy-duty truck carrying a massive boiler bravely navigated the treacherous curves of one of Vietnam's most dangerous mountain passes. As it reached a sharp bend, the truck suddenly became stuck, with its wheels sliding off the road, creating a tense and dramatic situation. The truck seemed to be waiting for a rescue, and the atmosphere grew heavy with anticipation. Every passing minute tested the patience of those watching. Time seemed to slow as onlookers anxiously hoped that everything would be resolved smoothly, allowing the perilous journey to continue. The massive 380 kilovolt transformer, weighing 300 tons, was transported from Brunei Am railway station to the AMAG truck parking lot on a heavy-duty vehicle. The 81-meter-long convoy moved slowly, creating an impressive sight. After being transported by train, the transformer was set to be installed at the APG substation in Wagum, near Pelsdorf, on November 3rd. The 9-kilometer journey to AOG took over 3 hours, showcasing the complexity and precision of the operation. The remaining 29 kilometers through Gundershaus and Ascha posed further challenges. The transport team demonstrated immense skill in safely carrying the 56-ton rig to the construction site, preparing for the challenging excavation ahead. Jennard skillfully navigated the massive Caterpillar 65 excavator through the winding mountain roads toward Satpavara, a place as challenging as it is breathtakingly picturesque. Though not a bustling city, the journey through windswept peaks and rugged, stunning landscapes created an unforgettable experience. It felt as though a giant was preparing to face new challenges, each turn of the road revealing the raw beauty and the trials that lay ahead. The excavator stands ready to tackle any challenges ahead. With hopes high for its new workplace, it is set to prove its remarkable strength and efficiency once again. The first task for the N-Boom Euro ICP 3-5 low loader is prepped and ready for its heavy-duty journey. The excavator moves forward slowly, its sleek, low-slung design allowing everything to unfold effortlessly. It climbs onto the truck with perfect precision, as if the task is second nature. "Let's go, buddy, we've got an important job ahead," it seems to say. Like a motivating greeting, the powerful truck begins its journey, carrying the CAT 349E excavator from TISA in northern Germany, rolling through the quiet night, headed to where it will begin its new mission on Monday. A massive convoy has just appeared in Cape Town. Its striking and unusual appearance reminiscent of a grand journey through a desolate wilderness. The cargo on the trucks is hastily covered, giving the impression it has just emerged from a fierce sandstorm, with its exterior torn and dirty. The convoy, looking like a beggar on the streets, is both odd and amusing. Yet beneath the dust and scratches lies a story of resilience and toughness, a testament to its endurance in overcoming the many challenges of the journey. One morning, a truck driver hauling concrete slabs encountered an accident on the A28 near Zola, sending the truck crashing into the guardrail. The 5,000 kilograms of concrete slabs spilled from the trailer, scattering into the nearby bushes. Thankfully, the driver emerged unscathed, though the damage was substantial. Swift action was taken as Ruhr's crane and the H-Hammer recovery team arrived on the scene, working tirelessly to safely retrieve the truck and its cargo. After several hours of intense effort, the road was cleared and reopened around midnight, marking the end of a long, demanding day. A quiet morning in Zenhoven suddenly came alive when a milk trailer was found lying in a ditch. Passers-by, shocked by the sight, immediately called for rescue services. The trailer had detached from the truck and rolled into the ditch overnight. Fortunately, the 16,000-liter milk tank was empty at the time. The Bergier Salvage Company quickly arrived, using all their expertise to pull the trailer from the ditch, each moment filled with suspense. Onlookers watched with bated breath until finally the trailer was rescued, bringing a dramatic end to the incident. After a long day of relentless work at the construction site, the colossal Komatsu PC-1250 UHD excavator was transported back to its resting place by Brunner Leal Heavy Transport. Like a brave warrior returning from battle, it rolled home with pride, its power and resilience shining through. At first, I expected the process of getting the massive drilling rig onto the truck to be an arduous challenge. But to my surprise, its enormous frame effortlessly ascended without a hint of hesitation. Yet the truck beneath it painted a different picture. Its wheels groaned, rolling heavily as if straining under the immense weight, almost crying out, "Enough! I'm about to give in." The question lingered. Would the drilling rig perform as impressively as the toll it was taking on the truck? I couldn't wait to see how this would unfold. Every day, Moran's heavy transport operations in the Netherlands deliver spectacular performances, particularly during massive transportation feats. Giant trucks powered by unmatched strength depart with colossal loads, leaving a lasting impression of elite engineering and logistical mastery. The sheer size and weight of these vehicles, coupled with their precise maneuvering, highlight the dedication and expertise of both the drivers and their support teams. This is no ordinary sight. It's a testament to the inspiring world of heavy transport, where each journey represents a challenge, a point of pride, and a flawless fusion of cutting-edge technology and human skill. The excavator, a relic from the 1950s, stood weathered and worn, its exterior marked by the passage of time. After years of rest in the yard, it was finally ready to take on a new job. As I gazed at it, a sense of unease washed over me. Could it still run smoothly after all these years? The engine roared to life, echoing like a call from the past. But no one could be certain if it could endure the challenge ahead. I could only hope that the old machine wouldn't break down, allowing it to continue its journey, carrying with it the stories of a bygone era. On the steep hill at Forselash, a heavy goods vehicle, HGV, ran into trouble as it reached the end of the road. The narrow bend left it stuck, unable to move forward. In this tense moment, a decision was quickly made. The tractor had to detach from the trailer to allow the crane to perform the rescue with greater ease. The crane's engine roared to life, its massive arms slowly lifting the heavy trailer off the hill, clearing the path and restoring access to the road. It was a moment of skill and precision, bringing relief to a challenging situation. At first glance, I couldn't help but laugh. It looked just like a giant rocket. Oh my goodness, did the Polish accidentally drop a missile here? I thought. But as I took a closer look, I realized it was nothing more than an old gas tank, weathered and coated in the dust of time. Despite its unassuming nature, its massive size startled anyone who passed by, leaving them half worried, half amused by the unexpected sight.